Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my first Unity game, and it's a 3D multiplayer car game, and its name is Battle of Cars. Okay, so let's start the game. So the first option here is to find a room. So if you click on it, it will take you to the room browser where you can join a online player. So next option here is to create a room. You can create your own room. So I already typed room 1 here, so you can create it. And then I'm the only player online here, and now my friend has joined here. So now let's start the game. Okay, so only a limited players can join, like, so only 8 players can join one room. So let me start the game by clicking on the start button, then and my friend has joined right above me. So now my friend is there and he's trying to attack me, so I can also shoot. Okay, my friend is trying to attack me. Okay, so I'll try to attack him. So I have to click to shoot. And I have defeated him. I defeated him now. So,
There.
so, so let me go around the house and show you what all are there. So we have this map here, which shows where your player is, and it will also show other players. And if you want, you can close it by clicking on this button. And if you want to open it, you can click on this button. So you can shoot by clicking, and if you shoot on these buildings, they will fall, and all of those will be updated on the map right here. You can see them all are falling. Okay, so I can break all of these. And if you want to know the controls, you can go to this controls option right at the bottom here, and it will show all of the options here, all the controls. So if I shoot, you can see that this every time I shoot, this bar goes down. So if it's out, if this bar is completely gone, we cannot shoot anymore. So if I make it empty, now I cannot shoot anymore. So if you want to reload this ammos, you have to go here and you have to wait until that fills, that loading ammo. Then only you can shoot. And yeah, most of the tracks, these tracks you can see here, most of them start in the living room. So if I go there, and this light is from the TV on that table, and here's the starting of one track. Let me go. Okay. Okay, and in the level there will be some coins, and if you if you touch them, you will get money. And here you can see I touched a 10 rupees coin, 10 money coin, and I got 10 here, and there's another one right there. So if I touch it, I'll get 20. Okay, so if you go here, there'll also be obstacles on this track, and for some reason it's too laggy. Okay, so I'll have to pass through this obstacle. Okay, I successfully passed that obstacle. And if you want to leave the room, you can go to this pause here. So now the game is paused, and you can leave the room or you can resume by clicking that button. And there's a chessboard here that I just simply kept. And you can also shoot these items. Wait, I don't have ammo. So okay, let me go refill it by jumping off this table. Okay, just fall off. And now your car is upside down. So if you want to flip your car, you can just press R. So I have flipped my car and I'm on my way to that ammo loading area. So let's go to that ammo area. And now it's more smoother. Okay, now it's better. And it's still loading the ammo, so I have to wait for more. I have to wait for more time. I have to wait here for some time until that thing loads. It has loaded. So if I just go and touch it, it will load all of my ammos, and now I can shoot one more time. And let me break that. Okay, and now we can leave the room. So here we can click here to change the car. So if we go here, we have the Cybertruck car, which is costly. I don't have that much. I just have 600, and I need 5,000 for this. And Game Pass is coming soon. Okay, select this car. That's it. So if you like this video, please subscribe and click the link.